You know, the G, the C, and the D, and you're doing, hopefully that you have those memorized, that you're able to do them. We played a song last week. You're able to start to play these without looking at your fingers. You're able to start to kind of look at the book and do that. Hopefully that's where you're at right now. And if not, that's okay. Just take another week and really strum out the G, the C, the D. But I don't want you to wait too much longer. I want you to keep going. Every new chord gives new strength and opens up your fingers and your mind to be able to do even more and more. So let's go ahead and take the jump into the E minor. I like to teach the E minor chord because it's easy. It's an easy chord, and by now you should just be able to learn this real quick. You should be pretty much quick, and you go, wow, now I know another chord. And that's what I talked about in the beginning, a snowball. It's just gonna start going down the hill. It's just gonna get bigger and easier, and it's gonna move faster. You'll notice that the E minor has 2 fingers, and go ahead and it says put your first finger on the A string, which is the second string down, on the 2nd fret. So you just put that first finger there, okay? And then you take your 2nd finger and you put it right underneath. So you have 2 fingers down. You strum that E minor chord, okay? That's how your E minor chord should sound. Now I have also added an option 2, which is technically called an E minor 7. This is where you can actually keep your 3rd finger. You know how your 3rd finger has been planted basically the whole time through all 3 chords. You can keep your 3rd finger down on an E minor 7. That's why I like it. It's also got a really good sound. A lot of artists use it now. A lot of new contemporary worship songs, contemporary pop music are using the 7th chords, and it gives it a different ring. So here's your regular E minor. If you look at your book, option 2, it says E minor 7. You can leave your 3rd finger down. You put your 3rd finger back where it always has been. Then just reach your 1st finger up and put it on the 2nd fret. Okay, so it's up to you to choose which option you want to use. I would memorize both of them, just so you know. So you have the E minor, which is just 2 fingers. Then you have E minor 7 that looks like this. It's easy to do a G to an E minor 7. You just take your 2 fingers off, but you leave those 2 down. You're going to notice if you try the option 2 that it's really easy. You leave your 3rd finger down the whole time. It's an anchor point, and you move from G to C to D, and then up to E minors, just moving around your fingers.